Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to Cooking Heroes. Today we are gonna be cooking some Russian salad. You know, I've seen many recipes of a Russian salad cooked by some Europeans or American cooks, and you know what? They're all kinda, well, confusing. That's because I'm Russian originally. Yes, I'm a real Slav, and believe me, I know how to cook a real, traditional Russian salad. Okay, so let me teach you how to do this. What do we need to cook a proper Russian salad? First of all, we need 1, 2, 3, 4 mid-sized potatoes. We need 1 big, or I rather say huge carrot. You can take 2 mid-sized carrots instead. Okay, we need 300 grams or 11 ounces of canned peas, 300 grams or 11 ounces of mayonnaise, 1 pound or about 500 grams of chicken fillet or chicken breast meat. We need 200 or like 7 ounces of pickles, pickled cucumbers. Whoop. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs and a little bit of salt. Okay, so what do we need to do with this? First of all, we need to boil our veggies, eggs and meat. Okay, so let's boil some water and we'll be back in a couple minutes. Okay, so our veggies, our meat and eggs are boiled. 1 potato died, but it's okay, I just overkept it in boiling water. I've been boiling potatoes and carrot for like an hour. Meat for like 20 minutes or half an hour, and eggs for 10 minutes. Okay, so the next part is actually the part I don't really like. We need to peel the vegetables and we need to peel eggs. So okay, I'll do this myself and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so all our things are nice and clean. I've peeled the eggs, I've peeled the carrot and I've peeled the potatoes. Okay, so it's time to slice things up. Okay, so first things first, what do we start with? I think we'll start with maybe potatoes. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to dice them into cubes, well, something like 1/4 or 1/5 of an inch. Okay, so let's make a stack first, like that. Whoop. Overcooked, definitely overcooked, but it's okay. Okay, just like, wow, steaming. Okay, now let's cut it into smaller pieces, just like that. Okay, now let's do the same thing to our carrot. First, slice. Too big. Okay, let's separate it into 2. Okay, we sliced, now we need to dice. Okay, so what next? Next, I think we will add some eggs. You can cut eggs just like you cut potatoes and carrots, or you can use an egg dicer just like that. Some people say that's cheating, but I think I will use this one, okay? So we need just to squeeze the egg through, and we will have nice and good little cubes of eggs. Okay, done with eggs. Next, I think I will dice the pickles. Remember, we have pickles here. Okay, so, but we don't need those. Put them away. Let's slice them, just like that. Okay, cut. Small, nice little cubes. Okay, put them here. An interesting thing about pickles is that they, along with the mayonnaise, hugely determine the taste of the salad you're gonna get. So when you choose pickles for your Russian salad, make sure you choose those that you really like. Because if they are too sour or too sweet, or maybe too salty, then the rest of the salad will be too sour or too sweet. Okay, so what next? Next we need to add some canned peas. If you can't reach canned peas, if you don't have them in your local supermarket or grocery store, it's okay, you can use some fresh peas, or even if you don't have fresh peas, maybe you can use some frozen peas, but you need to boil them. Just put them into boiling water for like 10 minutes, add some, like a little bit of salt, and they'll be fine, they'll be just like this one. So just like that, into the bowl. Okay, that's nice. Okay, what next? Next, let's cut the meat. Just exactly like we did to the vegetables. We slice, whoop, okay, I'll do this by parts. This, you know, in some recipes people say you should use bologna, or like, you know, some sort of milk sausage, but my personal preference is chicken meat. See how nice it is? It is healthier because you never know what you're gonna get in your bologna. You can use chicken, you can use duck, turkey. You can even put some beef if you like. The low-fat meat is perfect for this dish. It just balances the fatness of the mayonnaise. Okay, what do we have? We have a huge bowl of unfinished Russian salad. Okay, so what left? We need to add some mayonnaise. Okay, so let me take a spoon here. Okay, 1 spoon, just like that. 2 spoons. Okay, 3. Let me mix it a little bit. Gently, slowly, from the bottom up. Okay, so we're done mixing it up, and we have something like this. Look, what a pretty piece of Russian salad. An interesting thing about Russian salad is that you don't want to serve it as soon as you've finished mixing it up. You need to keep some mayonnaise in spare, because you may want to put your salad into the fridge maybe for an hour so that it absorbs all the liquids, just like here. And before you serve it to the table, you can add some mayonnaise and mix it up again so that it looks fresh and juicy.